everyone, it's MamaDoesNailz and welcome back to my channel. Hearts for you. How are you all doing? I hope you are all having an amazing day so far. Okay guys, I'm so excited because not only is madamglam having an amazing 2-day shopping event where you save 50% using the codes that I have on the screen and will leave in the description box. But I'm going to bring you something really exciting today because it's Mother's Day themed, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to pick a few of the, it was really hard to choose a few colors just to create this beautiful set. And I did have my mum in mind. Now, my mum, she's someone who loves her, her African outfits, her costumes, and African costumes are filled with vibrant colors, all sorts of colors, and it just goes well together. It's absolutely beautiful. And I wanted to put that on a set and, just thinking like, okay, if my mum would let me just like live my fantasy, do her nails, this is what they would look like. Daydream over. But anywho, these are the colors I'm putting on my palette. So I'm just going to quickly just go through them. I'm using Prosperity, I Love New York, Supernova Love, Spirit Guide, I Rule, Inner Peace, Yellow Cab, Hardcore, and Taurus Season. Now, my eyes chose these colors. I mean, my heart did have something to do with it, but essentially my eyes chose these colors because I was thinking of like one of, my mum's outfits, as I said, like, especially where it's like summer and it's just hot, and you better believe she would have the matching shoes and bag. So, as I said, we're thinking of Mother's Day, and I just want to wish all the mothers here and in heaven a happy Mother's Day. For those who are gone, you are not forgotten. Yes, that was so messy, but absolutely so worth it. So, guys, I started using, a white sponge. And from the very first nail I used it on, it was literally absorbing way too much than I wanted. So remember I had said that the madamglam sponge works really well. Well, it does. And that's the sponge you get in the packaging. Everyone has some. But anyway, that's what I did with the remaining colours that I had on the palette. You saw me do that whole abstract sort of art, trying to get all the colours down. I have used some of the foil glue gel, and before I do the other magical thing to the nails, I am just going in with some of the foils that I got from the advent calendar. Now, guys, this video I am trying to use as much because I want to entice you. I want you to have fun when you use these 50% discount codes at madamglam and get yourselves just the best colors, all the things that you need. The foils are definitely a limited edition because they were in the advent calendar, but if you got the advent calendar last year, then you would have this same foil. I used the rose gold. Absolutely gorgeous. So I only wanted a little bit of that accent of the foil on the nails. I mean, after all, it was a madamglam foil, so I didn't care. Now, I didn't put it everywhere. So now I am sugaring on some glitter. And now I'm also burnishing it in. So I'm going to do that to all the nails, actually, not just the 3 nails. I'm actually doing that to all the nails because on 2 of them you saw me do the whole abstract art, and on the other 3 nails I am going to write Mum. But before that, I'm going to outline this the design. I'm going to go around everything, and I'm using the madamglam white gel paint, and I have sped it up because you don't really want to see me doing this in real time. So I will come back in before the video ends, guys. Please enjoy. So that's all I did. I wrote Mum, and as you can see, I did MOM because we've had our UK Mother's Day and we spell Mum MUM. So that's the reason why I did it that way, so you can know that this Mother's Day set is for the US and everyone, that's doing Mother's Day in May. So I'm using my Nails by Nicole J dotting tool because there is a tiny, tiny, tiny little end, and I needed it because I didn't want the dots to be really huge. And this is perfect because normally I'm using, the dotting tool and trying not to touch the nail because you just want an ever so tiny dot, but this was perfect. And the bigger dots are going to be for my starbursts, but basically, guys, that's all I do to this set. I think I do go ahead and add a few more dots in black, but against, you know, my better judgment and my sister's advice, I did not add any rhinestones. Can you imagine? But we have glitter, we have shimmer, and it is what it is for what it is. The nails are absolutely beautiful. I love them, and I hope you do too. And please don't forget, guys, the 50% discount codes. It's only going to be available for 2 days. And after that, you are free to use our 30% discount codes, which are literally the same. Instead of 50, it would be 30. So, guys, I'm going to love you and leave you right now. And I just want you to please enjoy the rest of the video. And please keep your bells on. Let me know what you think about this set. And honestly, I do want to see if you do shop at Madam Glam during this event. Tag me, tag my sisters. We want to see you all. Love you all. I'm MamaDoesNailz and I'm out. Mwah, mwah. Please catch me in the next one. And again, wishing you all a happy Mother's Day. And for our guardian angels in heaven, you're just missed and never forgotten. Like, thank you for the wings. Love you all.
Be your star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. Be your star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. hope you still want me, I hope you still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Can I be your star